Okay, what do you guys think? First snowfall. In the winter. You gonna get me? Miss me, miss me. Miss me. No. Remember, if you miss me, you're gonna have to kiss me.
I missed you kissing you. I missed you kissing.
I don't think there's enough snow for a snowman. How about you make a snow angel?
Snowman.
Snow angel.
Snowman.
Hey Ryan, tell the camera what's your favorite part about being in the snow?
Throwing snowballs at my mom.
Is this fun?
Yes.